Good morning students, welcome back in your English class. Hope you all will fit and fine at your home. Students, today we will do the revision of question answer of chapter 7. So start writing. Student, question number 1. Why could no one see Kira when she sat on a leaf? Now write down the answer. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf because she was the same color as the leaf. Now leave one line and write down question number 2. How did Kunal see many places? What did he bring back from these journeys? And the answer of this question: Kunal saw many places because he had wings and could fly. And the answer of this question, what did he bring back from these journeys? He brought back interesting stories from these journeys. Now again leave one line and write down question number 3. Why did Kira want wings? The answer is Kira wanted wings because she wanted to fly like Kunal. Now again leave one line and write down question number 4. When did Kira feel sleepy? And the answer of this question is Kira felt sleepy after she ate many leaves on a branch. Now again leave one line and write down question number 5. What happened when the cocoon broke into pieces? And the answer of this question is when the cocoon broke into pieces, Kira came out of it as a beautiful butterfly. Now students, we will do the revision of chapter 8 questions answers. Look at question number 1. Why was the house quiet? And the answer of this question is the house was quiet because mother and the baby were sleeping. Leave one line and write down question number 2. What was the sink full of? And the answer of this question is the sink was full of dishes. Question number 3. What did Kavya and Rohan do? And the answer of this question is Kavya washed the dishes and Rohan dried them. Leave one line and write down question number 4. How did the big red jam jar break? And the answer of this question is the big red jam jar slipped out of Rohan and Kavya's hands and fell down on the floor. Now leave one line and start writing question number 5. Was mother angry? What did she say to Kavya and Rohan? And the answer of this question is mother was not angry. She said that it was good that they have washed all the dishes. Again leave one line and look at question number 6. Why were Kavya and Rohan excited? And the answer of this question is they were excited because mother said that she would make cookies for them as a prize. Students, hope you will write both lessons question answer in very beautiful handwriting. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone.